The police and military are celebrating a major dent in the operations of a criminal network after 6 weapons were seized on Wednesday. Detectives believe the guns belong to gangsters whose operations span Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, and other parts of the JCF's Area 3. Details in this report.
Police intelligence led the security teams to several premises in Oliver Gardens, an area also known as Farm in Clarendon, and the operation was very fruitful. They recovered a total of 6 illegal weapons, including 3 9mm handguns, 1 8mm pistol, 1 .38 revolver, and 1 high-powered submachine gun. Dozens of rounds of ammunition were also seized. 2 men were arrested in relation to 4 and 2 of the firearms respectively. They are expected to be charged soon.
As part of our continued action against gangs and guns, and this is a part of that operation, targeted some of the gangsters that are operating in our space.
The security operation also formed part of a preemptive effort against a criminal network with ties to the recent attempted robbery and fatal shooting incident in St. Elizabeth. In that incident, 2 gunmen, Christophine Gardner and Chevon Hall, were killed in Trial Square on Christmas Eve. Police feel a 3rd man, wanted in connection to that robbery, frequents the farm community in Clarendon, which they targeted on Wednesday.
We have also seen where there was also some threats that have gone out, threats against police officers and other civilians, and as such we would have targeted some of those criminals that we believe are involved, and those operations led us here, and these persons are now in custody and these firearms found.
The operation was jointly conducted by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch CTOC and the Clarendon Police. The commander for the Clarendon Division feels the work today, along with other initiatives, will continue to help keep law-abiding residents in the Oliver Gardens community safe.
The farm has a history of violence. However, for 2023, we would have seen that the work that we would have put in targeting the gangsters would have paid off. We did not have any murders in the community of farm for last year. And but we know that the guns are still here, and we want to find the guns, and we will continue to do those targeted operations to get the guns that are here.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.